If you're a beginner in microneedling, do you want to use DERMAROLLER and you don't know where to start, how to do it, this video is right for you guys. I am sharing today 3 lessons and 3 tips how to start using DERMAROLLER or microneedle tool, and I am sharing my knowledge because I have experience. My name is Jin Amber. I'm a esthetician. I'm also founder of Jin Amber Beauty, which is microneedle tool brand that I am obsessed with. I've been working with microneedle tools for the last 4 years. I've been in beauty industry for the last 20 years. I am really passionate, and I'm advocate how to use properly, to use microneedle tool, because this is very important information to know. If you don't know how to use microneedle tool, you can actually damage and destroy your skin. But I am here for you as your teacher today, and I will help you out how you should start and what you should know about microneedle tool. Number 1, you have to know that there are fake and real microneedle tools, especially dermarollers. Now I will show you. One is real and one is fake. And guess which one? Type right now in the comment section below before you watch further. Tell me which one, left or right, is a fake or which one is a real. I'm gonna wait for that, and then I'm gonna tell you which one is real and why, how to recognize that. So this is fake one and this is real one. The difference, I have done video, so somewhere in the corner you can click, it's gonna pop over here, and you can know actually more in detail, because I did open these dermarollers and I did experiment under the microscope showing you the difference when you roll, what is happening on your skin. So basically this one is fake, this one is real. This one has real individual needle, this doesn't have a needles, this has just a spiky wheels, and that's it. The main difference that this one gonna give you perfect, beautiful results, is gonna hurt less, and you're gonna have better results and no chances of scarring if you know how to use it. This can leave scars on your skin, this going to be painful, and that gives less results to you. So remember that, know which dermaroller is real, which one is not. Okay, number 2, it is important to know that there are many kind of different microneedling tools. Let's say the most popular is DERMAROLLER. Of course, if you know that it's real. DERMAROLLER is really affordable, and it's really effective. Proven in the studies, in medical studies, that it works. It's been so many studies done. Amazing book which I recommend to, highly recommend to read. It is Dermaneedling by Lance Satterfield. He is a doctor and he's a founder of microneedle tools. He found out in 90s that we actually, if we use microneedle tools, it's actually producing collagen, elastin, and makes our skin beautiful. It can work for anti-aging, wrinkles, fine lines, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, hair loss, cellulite, stretch marks. Microneedle tool is great for everything. Second tool that personally I have on my store, it is Aqua Pen. Is this kind of like a derma pen, tiny tool that has needles, 20 real needles inside over here on the top, and you can actually open and pump your favorite serum inside, and you can stamp your skin. It's like microneedle, it's like DERMAROLLER, but it works just as you stamp. Some people prefer that over DERMAROLLER. I personally use only around the eyes, on the nose, because it's more accessible, and on the lips. Perfect for tiny scars that you have on the face. This is really great. So this is Aqua Pen. Third tool that I have on my store, it is Aqua Pen. It is automatic like a derma pen. But why is the difference between this and other derma pens that has a place to put a cartridge, which you can also fill with the serum, you can put inside, and you can have a professional tool to be used at home, which is gonna give you better results. I'm not gonna do right now because I have makeup on my face, but this is just something to be aware of and know that there are many kind of different tools on the market. And number 3, what everyone should know, beginner or not beginner, the care and how to use it. How to use it, what to do before, what to do after, precautions, how to live, how to take care of your skin after is very important. So quickly, you should start with disinfecting your skin with isopropyl alcohol, either wipes or alcohol. Where is, I had somewhere here, I'm always losing all the things. here on the table. You guys don't see what mess I have over here. So this is my favorite alcohol prep pads to remove dirtiness and sebum and oiliness from your face. And then with the isopropyl alcohol, I pour on the dermaroller above the sink. Make sure you turn it a little bit like that to make sure that alcohol goes everywhere. It is the most important step before using any kind of microneedle tool. Disinfect your face and disinfect the tool. It is must. Doesn't matter if you're going to use for acne or for acne scar, for aging, you must to disinfect your microneedle tool. Now you have to know how to use it. I have a table on my website, and I also can pop it here, how to use it. If you're gonna go to my website, go to frequently asked questions section, and there's gonna be a table, which size, how often to use it, because I have many kind of different sizes on my website. 0.25 can be used for serum absorption, let's say 0.75 for deep wrinkles, deep acne scars, 1.5 can be used only on the body for stretch marks and cellulite, for example. For the hair, all the information you can find there on my website. Then you have to know how to use it, how often to use it. A lot of information is also on my website, but also if you're gonna go to playlist on my YouTube channel, you're gonna find all the information only about dermarollers. It's very, very important to know that first time you shouldn't use for 20 minutes, only 1 or 2 minutes. And then you should know how often to use it. That table right there can show you how often you should use each size, because different sizes can be used different intervals. Like for example, 0.25 you can use 2-3 times a week. 0.75 you shouldn't use more often than once or twice a month. You should know that. Aftercare, you should know what you can use after microneedle treatment. You can use this at the home, you can use this at the esthetician office, it's up to you, but if you learn, if you know how to use it, you can totally do it at home. Aftercare is very, very important. You shouldn't apply any kind of tool, any kind of serum that has fragrance, dry alcohol, silicone, parabens, any kind of toxic irritating ingredients. That's why I have my line dedicated to be used only after dermaroller. You can use every day as well, but these products are very, very safe. For example, this one is a natural peptide serum, which is amazing. Just natural products, no irritation, nothing, and goes straight away in your skin. When you use microneedling tool, your absorption increases 80% approximately of the product. Usually we absorb only 20 to 30% of the product, so basically half of the bottle you're paying, you're wasting, and goes down the drain. Just make sure that you know what you're using. Aftercare is very, very important. I also have vitamin C cream that you can use after microneedling. Check out my website, I don't want to talk too much about that. And also aftercare, like next day, the day after, you should avoid sun, you shouldn't exercise too much, especially if you're using deep size like 1 millimeter dermaroller. You should wait to go to the gym for 2 days. Don't go in the sun for a week. If you have to drive, if you have to walk your dog, make sure that you have a big hat, big glasses, COVID mask, or a lot of SPF. It's very, very important to know that you cannot go to the sun. Really, really strict. The most important rule after microneedle, don't go to the sun at least 3-4 days. If you have any more questions, guys, leave me down below. I will be happy to answer any kind of question. If you have a personal question with your picture, you want more information about personally your problem, you can also email me info@gnumber.com, and I will be happy to answer. Shoot me your pictures, videos, let me know what's going on with your skin. I never share this private information on any of my social media unless I get your confirmation that I can do that. We are helping so many people, so many women to feel confident, have better skin, have better, like naturally glowy skin. I am very, very passionate and advocate about safe and healthy microneedling at home. If you have any questions, as I told you down below, please subscribe. If you haven't, click the red button, subscribe, and you will be helping me so much. I thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for being my family. I love you so much, and bye. Take care.